Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speaker on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to play some music, then cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from all of the speakers, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one, then that's a mono speaker. Now let's find all of the speakers on this phone. And first one is right here. I think that's a speaker. Another one is at the bottom right here. And there's also phone call speaker right here. Let's try playing some music. So clearly sound is coming from all of the speakers, and that means this phone does have a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.